sharing my top 10 perfume recommendations from Latafa, which are perfect for this Diwali. All of these perfumes are purchased from Sentopiaperfumes.com. I have a non-affiliated discount coupon code in case you're interested to use and get some good discounts. The first perfume is Oud Mood. Now this one is your very warm, sweet, caramel, woody, rose heavy fragrance that goes really well with traditional wear. An alternative to this fragrance is also by Latafa, and this one is Sheikh Al Shuyuk Luxe. Both of these scent profiles are quite similar. This one is more sweeter and woodier, and this one is slightly more heavier on rose. My second pick is A Theory. Now, A Theory is something which is very bright, floral, and sweet with a honeydew note in it. This is something which is very feminine, very delicate, and it is kind of like slightly modern, but also kind of like traditional. My third recommendation is Khamra Dukhan. Now Khamra Dukhan is your spicy, dates, cinnamon heavy fragrance. It is very rich and kind of boozy, and this is a perfect evening and nighttime fragrance. Fun event with your family. I think this perfume will do really well. Now, if you are someone who wants to make a bold statement, this is what you wear. This one is Latafa Teriak. This is your white florals, meet some pear, meet some leather note. So it kind of has like a kick of leather in it, which just kind of gives it a little oomph in this fragrance. Now, if you are somebody who does want to make a bold statement, but you also have a dark gothic energy to you, you are somebody who wears maroons, dark lipsticks, or even a black dress on Diwali, Teriak Intense is made for you. This is boozy, spicy, sweet, and literally a rum cake in a bottle. On number 6 is Latafa Seher. Now, you must be wondering where that dragon cap is. I just kept it inside because it's too heavy. And this is your gorgeous vanilla, almondy, bitter vanilla fragrance. It does have a very strong nutty presence, which kind of feels like, you know, the blue fountain pen ink is kind of mixed with vanilla. I love this sort of vanilla. It's very sexy, kind of raw, and something which is like very bold and beautiful at the same place. On number 7 is Latafa Nebras. It kind of has a nice cacao meeting red berries meeting vanilla fragrance. Now this definitely has a major powderiness to it, like the cacao comes out very powdery and also very musky. So if you are somebody who's not very dressy during Diwali festival, you will love wearing Nabras. On number 8, we have Angam. Now, how will Angam not be in this list? This is sweet, aromatic, and the kick of ginger with lavender with vanilla makes it a gorgeous fragrance. This is something which is super sexy. This goes well with both traditional and kind of like a modern twist dress. So we can say this is universally flattering. Now, if you're wearing a sari and you're looking sexy and gorgeous and all the makeup and the jewelry is in place, you need to wear Musammam White Intense. Now, this perfume is floral, it's coconutty, it is sweet, it is balanced. This is classy yet elegant, somewhat traditional but somewhat modern as well. And the 10th option that I have is Badial Oud for Glory. Now, you know, if you are somebody who's very traditional on Diwali and you enjoy wearing maybe like a silk sari and a very traditional take with maybe like flowers on your juda and stuff like that, I think that will go really well with Badial Oud for Glory. So those were my top 10 Latafa picks for this Diwali. Purchased all of these from Sentopiaperfumes.com. Go and grab yours and smell amazing, and happy Diwali in advance.